To create a custom field, first navigate to the Custom Field section. Click on New Field. Let's say we want to create a custom field called Employee Type. Remember, it's important to use snake case when naming the custom field. Add a brief description. Then, select a category. It could be HRIS or ETS. Next, choose your model. Your custom field will be added to the selected model. Click on Create. You'll then have two options: whether the field is for a connector or for an organization, which is integration specific. For simplicity, we'll select Organization. Let's say we want to use Personio. Now, you'll have two choices. Either select from the dropdown or view the entire raw data by clicking here. You can choose from the raw data. If you can't find your field in the raw data but you're sure it's available, you can manually type in the field and press Enter. For this integration, we'll select a field called Type. Click on OK and Create. Your custom field is now created. To retrieve the custom field data, use the Include Custom Fields parameter and set it to True. To get the custom field data, use the endpoint for the model you selected and include this parameter in your request. Include custom fields are in True. Click Send. You'll see that we get the custom field data with every single object. To create a connector-specific custom field, choose a connector. Let's say we want it for Personio. If you've already created an organization-level mapping, the connector-level mapping will override the custom organization-level field mapping. To demonstrate this, let's choose a different field. Let's say Label. Click on OK. Now, if you call the URL, the data will be updated. As you can see, previously we were getting Employee. Now we're getting the ID, the value of the data. You can edit the custom field by clicking on the pencil icon. Choose the mapping, select the correct one, and click on OK. Now, if you go to the API, you'll get the real data back. If you don't want a specific mapping, you can delete it. If you want more info about the custom field, select this. You can also delete the custom field from here.